Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is an introduction to playing the guitar. So I'm going to show you the different parts of the instrument, how to make a sound, and also how to play a tune. So to hold the guitar, if you're right-handed, you can either place it on your right thigh like this, or you can place it in between both thighs like this. So this is a more classical way of holding the guitar, and this is a more modern method. So just pick one that feels most comfortable for you. So if you're right-handed, your right hand will pluck or strum the strings here on the body of the guitar, and your left hand therefore is left to fret notes here on the fretboard. Looking more closely at the fretboard, notice these lines. These outline each fret. So this area here is fret 1, this is fret 2, this is fret 3, and so on, going all the way up the neck. To produce a sound, you push the string onto the fretboard with the tip of your finger like this. And then you pluck that same string with your right hand. So, have a go at doing that at home. To pluck the string, you can either use your thumb like this, your finger, or a pick. There are 6 strings on the guitar. The thickest string is at the top near your head, and the thinnest string is at the bottom nearest the floor. These strings are numbered 1 to 6 from the thinnest to the thickest, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you know some of the different parts of the guitar and how to make a sound. Let's play a tune. The tune we're going to learn today is Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes, and it sounds like this. And here's the guitar tab notation. With guitar tab, the 6 lines represent your 6 strings, with the thickest string being the bottom line. The numbers tell you which frets to play. So we can see the tune goes 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. Once you've got that under your fingers, you can then play along to a backing track like this.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now you have a go at home. After 1, 2, 3, 4, you have a go playing along to the backing. Here we go. 1,
2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, that's it. So hopefully you enjoyed that first lesson and it's got you started on the guitar. If you'd like to book any more lessons with me, then you can find my email address in the description box below. If you want to access that backing track that we were jamming along to, that's in a link up here. And if you'd like to subscribe, that's also in a link on the other side. Okay, so take care and goodbye.